Yo, what's up everybody? We're at the Break Center in Kansas City, and this is Breaking in 1 minute. Today, I'm gonna show you how to do the stab. Let's do it.